What's up, fellow explorers? Today we're talking about campground etiquette. Now, I want to know from you guys, am I right or am I wrong? That we're at Jack and Jill sites right now, and the people that are next to us here have parked their car right here. Hi, Victoria. Victoria's checking out our plant.
Hi.
Right?
It's not just our plant, it's vanilla.
Right in the middle
Oh, look.
of the Jack and Jill sites. Now, my question for all of you is, do I have a right to be upset? Because here, directly across from the campgrounds, is plenty of parking. You can see here the Allegro bus parked behind us, or I'm sorry, to the other side of us, was kind enough to park their Jeep over there. I've got Howie parked right there. That guy's car alarm has been going off for the entire weekend. And then we've got this right here. So tell me, am I right or am I wrong? Should you not park your car in the Jack and Jill site? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks.